What's going on, YouTube? It's your guy, TopDownKickz with a Z. So for today's video, we got these Air Jordan 13 called the Heat Got Game, and they need a lot of cleaning. We're gonna go ahead and start off with this razor, unpluck these chips and these rocks from the pavement, and then we're gonna shoot off and straight, ice these bad boys down with the shoe sauce. And I'll catch you guys here in a second. What it do, man? I'm back. Here's the results. Straight out the icebox, cocaine white. Don't do drugs though. But look, you want to bust out that OxyClean. You want to spray it on top of the material of the shoe. Let it sit for 10-20 minutes. It helps the process for the washing machine. Make sure you got no delicate, cold water. And let the water fill first. You can add a cap full of bleach. Here they are from the washing machine. I let them naturally dry with the shoe trees inside of them. Knock out the creases to uncrease them. And they're looking fantastic, but we still got to paint on the side of the midsole and on the uppers. So you want to go ahead and take the acetone to prep out any dirt, any factory finishes. And we're going to bust out the white acrylic paint and the black paint to top it off with the acrylic sealer. Made it this far, hit that like, subscribe. TopDownKickz with a Z.